Hey guys, it's Tori, and quick review on this daily goodie box unboxing that I forgot to unbox back a while ago. I found it anyway. Here we are. So here is the Blister Balm cold sore balm stuff. Helps with cold sores, blisters, fever blisters, things like that. And then here we also have the organic brushing rinse. And this stuff is, it's not too tasty. I've gotten this before. It tastes kind of weird, but it's good when like the kids go off onto like trips and stuff like that, and you're like, here, take some mouthwash with you, and it's a great little travel size. And then here is some good stuff. We've got Yum Butter Espresso, chocolate espresso peanut butter spread with cocoa, which is cocoa, vanilla, and cinnamon, but I like saying cocoa. You know, like
we'll all eat that.
Here we have some pickle ice, fresh hydration pickle juice that goes in the freezer, so it's like a pickle pop. I don't know, kids will like that. Here we also have some Night Clear Sleep Aid 1 dose drinkaroo, so in case you guys, you know, want to take a nap and you're like up all freaking night long.
That's a whole dose?
This is a whole dose. It says 1 dose, so yeah, gluten free. And then here we have some Bali body spray, and we've had this before. It smells pretty good, right, guys? Oh yeah, that is really good. It's really refreshing, right? That stuff's good. And then we also have a couple of these packs of the Valo vitamins. We have tried these before. They have like energy and stuff like that. Kids don't like them. They're kind of really weird tasting. I don't know. I'm sure there's a friend there that we can give those to. Yeah. Then we have the Goddess Garden Organics Day Undone Softening Night Serum. So those are really cool little samples. I know that I have a whole bunch, but we should start using them. Here's the Brightening Night Cream. So we always need to brighten up. And then here we have coconut water. This stuff's really good. I've gotten this one before, and it's really tasty. I love this stuff. Beats drinking a soda. And here we have the organic Prince and Spring French roast and other different kinds of coffee pods. These are going to be really good, actually. So yeah, I think that's all that we've got in this box. So I will leave all the information down below, and thank you guys for watching. Say bye, guys.